Today is 21st June. This is your daily dose of startup funding stories. Let's find out who got funded today and what's happening on the entrepreneurship street. Let's dive in. Distill has secured $3.1 million in a seed funding round led by Jungle Ventures and India Quotient, with participation from other prominent investors and operators. Founded by Atanu Agrawal, Karan Hirani, and Viraj Shah, Distill offers fully customizable and scalable solutions through a tech-enabled platform for procurement of these specialty chemicals. Asaya has raised $1.5 million in seed funding round led by OTP Ventures and Huddle Ventures, with additional investments from Eternal Capital. Founded in September 2023 by Neeraj Biani, former co-founder of Paperboat, Mandeep Bhatia, and E.T. Sharma, Asaya has rapidly expanded its sales and customer base, retailing through its website and online retail platforms like Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, and Myntra. Unicorn.ai, Belvita's last venture, has raised $2 million from entrepreneurs including Nikhil Kamath, Zerodha, Peyush Bansal, Lenskart, Vishesh Khurrana, Shiprocket, Dholkia Ventures, Nitin Jain, and Vasant Sridhar. Of business, Gaurav Khatri, Noise. Founded by Akash Anand Pala Sharneja, Koo, and Sumit Jha, CTO. Unicorn.ai has officially launched its new platform, which enables users to connect with advisors or peers for practical, relatable, and genuine advice. Metis Intellisystems has raised 1.3 crore in a round led by Inflection Point Ventures. Founded by Khushru F. Doctor in 2021, Metis uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to create solutions by capitalizing on, triangulating, and collating multiple sources of information. Meet Record has raised $2.7 million in a pre-series of funding round led by Singapore-based venture capital fund SWC Global, with participation from existing investor All In Capital. Founded in 2021 by Snehal Nimje and Paras Jain, Meet Record offers a business-to-business, B2B, software as a service, SaaS, platform that utilizes AI to analyze conversation data across various communication channels, such as emails and calls. The Bangalore-based startup plans to use the new funds to empower revenue and sales teams in the service sector with artificial intelligence-enhanced tools, allowing them to increase sales and focus on customer engagement. OrbitShift has raised $7 million in a seed funding round led by Peak 15 Partners Surge Scale-Up Program and Stellaris Venture Partners. The platform leverages purpose-built models and large language models, catering primarily to large enterprise customers that have users based in the US, European Union, and Asia Pacific. OrbitShift also plans to invest in its technology and product teams to widen its product portfolio. Umeed Housing Finance has raised $76 million in a Series F equity fundraise from a 91 Partners LLP, Mirai Asset Venture Investments, India, and Anicut Capital. The funding round also saw participation from existing investor Norwest Venture Partners. Founded in 2016 by Ashutosh Sharma, Umeed operates in 7 North and Central Indian states. It provides housing and secured small-ticket business loans. Gokaldas Exports, GEX, will invest up to 350 crore rupees in Bombay Rayon Fashion Textiles, BTPL, by subscribing through optionally convertible debentures, OCD, the company said in a regulatory filing.